are 5 years old. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Anong gusto mong maging paglaki mo?
Contractor.
Instructor. Okay, nag-e-evolve ka. Hindi na doctor, hindi na teacher. Gusto mo na maging contractor. Okay, sige. O, sana maging contractor ka someday, ha? Pero yung contractor na matino naman, ha? Okay. Sige, Dale, you want to learn some magic.
Yes.
You know how to follow instruction.
No.
You know what instruction is.
Yes.
What is instruction?
Ready houses.
Building houses. Construction yun. Gusto talaga maging contractor. Okay. Usapang construction eh. Okay. Lahat na ng sasabihin ko, gagawin mo lang. You just follow me. Okay? Ganun lang kadali. Sige, follow me. Stand straight. Stand straight. You stand straight. Face the audience. Yan. Look to your right. Right? Look to your right. To your left. Center. Smile. Nag-follow ba? Okay. Ngayon, ganito gagawin natin. Kuya Dale, very simple lang pong gagawin natin, pero medyo delikado ng konti. Konti lang naman. Actually, 10 beses ko pa lang pong ginagawa itong magic na to sa buong karir ko po sa pagmamagic. 10 beses ko pa lang pong ginagawa at 9 times pa lang po naging successful. 9 times, isang beses pa lang pala naging successful. Yung siyang, puro failed. Yung isang naging successful na sa hospital ngayon. Hindi, biro lang. Okay, kaya dahil ganito lang gagawin natin. When I say look up, you look up. No, look up. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Put your tongue out. Tapos ang tila. And you say happy birthday. Just put your tongue out and you say happy birthday. Put your tongue out, say happy birthday. Ay, napapagaya si mami. Nakita ko, tinatry. Ang ganito gagawin natin you just look up, tapos gagayahin mo yung gagawin ko. Okay? Ready na po? Huwag niyo pong gagayahin ito mga bata, delikado itong gagawin namin ni Dave. Wala. Ako lang po manganga. Nakaka-distract po eh. Ako lang po, Lola. Ako lang po. Ganun na lang. Para mas maganda, si Dale ang gagawa. Close your eyes and open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Alright, meron ka bang alagang pet sa bahay? Yeah, pet. Oh,
Yes.
dog, cat, fish.
Yes. Yes.
Dog ka ba sa bahay?
Yes.
Yes. O kung bibigyan kita ng ibang pet, which one do you like? Bird, rabbit, elephant, ano gusto mo?
Sisiu.
Sisiu. Wala sa nabanggit ah. Sisiu, anong color? Purple pa. Okay, sige. Ay, yung binubunot. Sisiu na purple, yung binubunot. Okay, sige. I will try my best na pwede. Okay? And then what do you call this one? Anong tawag mo dito? Ano bang tawag dito? Saan po kadalasan nakikita? Ano pong nilalagay? Sige po, mami, simulan po ninyo. Mukhang galante po tayo dyan. Okay. We call this a magic bag. Bakit magic bag? Kasi meron siyang magic. Di ba? Is there anything inside? There? Is there anything inside? No? Is there anything inside? Yes, my hand, no? Inside the bag. Is there anything inside? No. Is there anything inside? Yes. Ano pang laman? Yan. Okay. Ngayon lalagyan ni Dale ng laman. Yung nandyan sa, ito, tindan mo sa leg mo, ilalagay mo siya dito sa loob. Dahan-dahan. Yan. Silipin mo ko na sa loob pa. Silipin mo ko na sa loob. Sa loob pa, no? Naging sisiw na ba? Naging sisiw na? Hindi pa, no? Wala pa. Hindi pa nangyayari yung magic. Ito pa lang, mangyayari pa lang yung magic. Okay? Anong sisiw? Anong color? Purple. Okay. Bibigyan kita ng purple na sisiw. Ready? Count 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ito na yung sisiw na color purple. Dali lang. Check lang natin. Building. Wait, Dale, yung sisiw ba may paa? Bakit ito wala ko nahahawakan? Yung sisiw may feathers, right? Ito wala, ang haba. Dale, nakakita ka na ng snake?
No.
Ibig sabihin, hindi ka pa nakakahawak, hindi mo pa natatouch. Okay, this time, makakakita ka na makakahawak ka pa. Okay, Dale, ito gagawin mo. Kukunin mo dahan-dahan dito yung ahas, yung snake, and then slowly, papakita mo ganun sa kanila yung ulo. Ganun lang. Okay? One more, yeah! Ha! Gusto mo na? O, baka tumak. Parang mas nagulat si Dale. Okay, dahan-dahan lang din, ha? Ready? Sige. When I say go, your hands slowly. You will get inside the bag, yung snake, and then slowly show it to them like this. Okay? Huwag mong ikatro, huwag mong ihagis, ha? Okay, slowly lang. Okay? Ready? Go. Yeah. Okay, when I say go. Ready? And go. Dahan-dahan lang. Okay, go. Dahan-dahan.
Slowly.
Dahan-dahan. Slowly, slowly. I said slowly, I said slowly. I said slowly. Slowly, 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 slowly.
Very slowly.
Very slowly, yan. Very slowly. Very slowly. Very slowly. There you go! Okay, ako na lang kayo, Dale. Ako na lang. Ito na. Ito na tayo, watch. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for special guest performer, Kuya Dale. Hands on your hips, Dale. Hands on your hips, and then wiggle your hips like this. Wiggle like this.
Go.
Alright, palakpakan natin si Dale. Thank you so much. Alright, thank you so much, Dale. Before you go back to your seat, every performer, up Okay, when I say go, you take a bow. Okay, you know how to take a bow? Bow, like this. Okay? Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, once again, put your hands together for Quidditch. Go. Go. Okay.
Yeah.
Go. Okay, go. Okay, go. Okay, go. Go.
Good.
You can go. Thank you so much. Palapakan naman natin si Dale. Bibigyan kita ng prize mamaya, Kuya Dale, ha? Bibigyan kita. Okay, one last volunteer.